Hey there, Foldabots builder! Welcome to the Foldabots assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Buhawi. Let's start. So start with the main body. Get some glue. I like to put my glue in a little container and use the official Foldabots glue applicator to apply a little thin coating onto that tab. So just make sure it's nice and neatly put in there, and just hold it in place until it doesn't move. So proceed to the next part, which is the wing. Just put a little bit in there, spread it out real nice, and fold it this way so that both sides will have that pattern. He has two wings and they're exactly alike, just mirror images of each other. So do the same with the other wing. Fold it in there. And once it's nicely put in place like this, we're ready to make the little details. So using your pair of scissors, slowly cut along those yellow marks on the edge to give the wings more detail. So it's nice to start cutting from the outside, pull the scissors out, and then start with the other side. That way you don't have to bend your scissors inward in that little crevice. So sometimes these little things just won't get off, but that's okay. You can just either pull them out or cut a little bit more. So that's nice and feathery. Let's do the same with the other wing. So once you get better at doing these things, you can make a lot of your paper crafts more detailed and more lifelike, especially if you're doing stuff with beast modes in them, like this Philippine eagle. Okay, so we're done with the two wings. We will now proceed with the next part. So let's set that aside. We'll do the left leg. Again, we'll apply just a thin glaze of glue on that tab. And then we set it in place. So this is where a pencil comes in handy. You can use it to push down that tab. Push it outward going to you, or you could just press the entire rectangular prism. So do the same thing with the right leg. Just a little amount of glue right there. And it pays to have a little patience when doing that part so that it stays nice and dry before attaching it to the body. So first, I'm doing the left leg, so it goes here. Apply a little glue on that L tab and put it right underneath that part of his hip. So I'm putting my finger inside the main body part from the top so that I can push the leg going outward. So give it a few seconds to cure and do the same with the right leg. So here we have the two legs in place, and that's going to give it a nice way to swivel. So the thing that makes this eagle different from other birds is that it's got two strong legs. So next we do the left wing. Just put a little amount of glue on that tab and fold the gluing tab this way and glue it to the body. Do the same for the other side. We're almost done. It's looking a bit complete right now, but we're just missing the last parts, which are the arms. So the arms go on to the inside part of the main body on the shoulders. So this is where it gets a bit tricky because we're putting glue on the opposite side of the label. So underneath the R tab, put glue in there, and underneath the L tab, put glue in there too, and stick it towards the inside of that shoulder part. There you have it. This is Buhawi, Foldabot leader. So I'm curving out the wings to make it more lifelike, and curving out the arms so that the prints face forward. And there you go. Let's see how this one stands. So for robot mode, just pull out the arms this way and stand it up. I also like to put those wings backwards so that they don't be too distracting. So for eagle mode, tuck the arms inside, bend the legs so you can perch, and make sure it's nice and stable to get a nice view like that. Here it is in 360 degrees. Thank you for watching.